everybody. My name is Steve. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. So I decided to make a new series on my channel titled Facts and Hacks, and it's all about drum related stuff such as hardware. And I kind of just wanted to make this because I was looking around online for information regarding Pearl hardware and what kind of combinations you can make and what can be used with what, and I couldn't really find anything even on the Pearl's website. But anyway, I decided to go out and buy some hardware, and I wanted to pass along this information to you guys in case you guys had some of the same questions, and I just wanted to share some things that I learned along the way. So let's go ahead and look at what we got here on this rack. This is the Icon rack. Gotta say, I'm switching from another brand to Pearl mainly because of their good quality, and you gotta love that lifetime warranty guarantee. And they have really good customer service. Shout out to Tom. He helped me with my problem I was having. No complaints here. But what we have here is Pearl's new Boomerang boom cymbal stand attachment, and this is CHC200. This came out with the CHC100, which is pretty identical to this, but it has a clamp built into it, and it has a fixed tilter. This model right here has the gyro lock tilter, which is obviously gyroscopic. It gives you 360 degrees of rotation, so you can get your cymbal in the correct precise angle that you'd like. And you have instead of the standard straight 12 millimeter knurled rod, you have a curved rod, which is why they call it a boomerang. It's kind of shaped like a boomerang. And you have this accessory clamp, so you can mount it on your existing hardware or cymbal stand, even off of a tom arm. And I'll get back to this in a bit, but right here we have one of Pearl's older models of cymbal holders. It has the straight boom, which everybody's seen, and it has a gyro lock tilter. Now this is model CH200S. They don't make this one anymore, but Pearl still makes some with this type of rod. So this is why I'm gonna go ahead and show you this little hack that I learned. So over here is the same thing. This is just the accepting down post to the rod. Now both of these are 12 millimeter rods. Before I show you what you can do with this, let me go ahead and show you how you can set up this boomerang and why I like it so much. So of course you got the gyro lock tilter. Over here you have 2 points of rotation. You loosen a wing nut, you can go swivel up and down like that. Let's lock it in place. On this end it's clamped with like a multi-clamp. It's just attached to this piece of pipe that I have right here, 7/8 diameter. It can go wider though. Right here you have a wing nut. Loosen that. Now you can turn the boom all around, get it in those hard to reach places, do some crazy angles. Let's go ahead and leave it like this though. And I like these gyro locks because you can remove these tilters, and you could always add on, because Pearl sells these alone. They're item number, well, the model is TL2030 if you're looking for it. So it's just like that. Has a special locking wing nut and felts, which are reversible. Also, they come with a knurled rod built in for your percussion accessories such as cowbells, wood blocks, jam blocks, and tambourines. But the neat part about these is you could put them on any part of the rod, such as that. Get any angle you'd like, even crazy upside down stuff. If you like mounting your cymbals that way, just lock it in place. But the cool part that I'm really interested in showing you, the part that I couldn't find anywhere online, is I wanted to see if these two pieces of hardware were interchangeable. So let's go ahead and show you that right now. So again, 12mm knurled rod, 12mm knurled rod. Let's remove this. There's your boomerang. Boom, right there. Same as this right here, 12mm. Let's go ahead and put it in this accepting post. Now look at that. Now you got a boom cymbal arm. Again, you got the gyro lock tilter, which you can move up and down this rod. So let's say you wanted something really crazy. We just loosen everything. Let's say you wanted your cymbal mounted upside down like this. Look at that. You can easily put a 16, 18-inch cymbal like that. Really cool. Let's take this 12mm straight boom arm and put it into the multi-clamp accessory that comes with the CHC200. Fits right in there. Look at that. Now you can angle this up and down with that point of rotation. Swivel it like this to get around some hard to reach areas. And you got that gyro lock tilter. Look at that. Get any angle you'd like, even upside down. Super cool. Not only that, but let's say you have two of these tilters, the TL2030s. You can borrow one from one of your cymbal stands and put it on your 12mm boom arm, anywhere up and down along this rod. They're interchangeable. So now you could put two cymbals, cymbal, cowbell right here on this knurled rod. Do some crazy stuff. That is why I really like Pearl's hardware. I love how versatile it is, and you know, it's just options, nothing but options. So Pearl, like I said, has great hardware, makes the curved boom arm, still makes models of cymbal stands with the straight boom arm. Again, 12mm diameter. And yeah, what else can you ask for? Nothing but options, cool setups, sturdy hardware backed by that lifetime guarantee. Yep, I'm hooked on Pearl hardware. I can't wait to get more. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you want to see something specific, just go ahead and let me know what piece of hardware of Pearl's or even Ludwig's that you would like to see. But secretly, I'm a Pearl guy now. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you later for episode 2. Thanks. Bye.